Hey everyone, just got my new molds in, new skull molds, and this is a set of 3 from ResinWorld. This one is smaller than what I'm usually using. It holds 8 ounces. I measured it with some water. This one holds 4 ounces, and this one holds 2. So we're going to go ahead and give these a try. I'm adding a druzy insert to the back of the skull. I just added a little bit of resin and pushed them into the back, and then added some blue pigment to the resin. We'll see in the morning how it turns out. Now I'm going to do the medium. This holds approximately 4 ounces of resin. So I have 100 milliliters of resin mixed up, and I have my little shaker that I just made out of a jar. It's 3/4 of an inch wide, and it is 1 inch long. And I added this cute little dolphin in there, or whale. I think it's a whale. So this has half glycerin and half water, and then I just used UV resin to cap the top. If you want to see how I did that, I have other videos that I'll link below to show you how I did that. So here we go. I'm just going to pour a little bit in here. It just has a little tint of the blue pigment, because I want to be able to see that whale. Just spray that with some alcohol, and then I'm going to coat the bottom of this because it does have like a little indentation, and I don't want that to end up with a bubble underneath. So I'm going to let him just sit right in there, and hopefully he stays put. And that's with the cap side facing me. But you have to remember, with it being clear, you're not going to be able to see that cap. Oh man, I just poured a bunch of resin on the side. Dang it. What in the world am I doing other than making a mess? So I'm going to scoop some of that up, put that back in there, save that. All right, so 100 milliliters is not enough, even with the glass in there. So I'm going to mix up some more resin, finish filling this up, and I'll see you back in the morning. So here we go. I'm really excited to try this. When I mixed up the extra resin, I went a little bit darker, and then I swirled it in. So you can see here, I just laid it on top and then I pushed it down. So I love the way these swirls look inside there, and I'm just praying that I didn't make it too dark so we won't be able to see the whale. I guess we're going to find out here in a second. Oh my goodness. That's pretty cool. Oh, I got a bunch of little bubbles. So that's kind of cool that he like floats on there. I need to not shake it so much. It is a little hard to see him. And he's sticking on the side, so you can see the bottle in there a little bit, and the whale floating. And when I shake it, I end up with a bunch of tiny little bubbles. So I don't know how successful that was. I'm going to add a light under here, I think we'll be able to see those swirls much better. Still cute. But I need to stick with, I think, clear on this level and then just a darker base because it's really hard to see that. But I like the swirls in there. I like the whale in there. I don't know. I think I can do better. But I like them. I like the little window on the top. Hey guys, here we go. This actually held into place last night. So I'm really excited about that. I mixed up a little bit of extra resin because it wasn't quite topped off. And I added some mica powder to give that little holographic, I guess, look on the bottom. I don't know if you're going to be able to see any of that, but we'll see. See how he turned out. I think I might have made him too dark because I was hoping to be able to see the crystals from the back or from the front. That's pretty cool. It worked. I like it. I went a little too dark, I think. But it's still cool. Here they all are, all finished up. This is the large with the light underneath. Didn't help much, but I'll do better in the future and keep them lighter, more translucent. But I love the crystal effect on the back. The medium has the little shaker inside. He turned out super cute, but again, too dark. And the small one I didn't film, but here he is. Had some holographic colors in there. And here's all three. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like my videos and subscribe. I have a lot more to come. Have a great day.